Okay, we have another example here. Remember, I said once we have an even root, we need to equate the inside term greater than or equal to 0, because we can have a 0 here. This can be equal to 0 or anything greater than 0. But we don't want anything less. We don't want negative. We are doing everything to avoid the negative value. So the only way we can avoid the negative values, set the inside term equal or greater than 0. So that's what we're going to do. 6 negative 2x should be equal to or greater than what? 0. So we solve from x. So we can say 6 is greater than or equals to what? 2x. So we'll divide through by what? 2. Therefore, x
Equals 3.
So if you set it the other way to be what? X is what? This is greater than, so x is what? Less than or equals to what? 3. X should be less than or equal to 3. For this case, to be a function, x has to be less than or equal to 3. Now, before we draw a normal line, if x is 3, are you with me? Negative 3, if x were 3, because x has to be 3, x has to be less than or equal. What are numbers that are less than 3? Backwards like this. Since they say equal to, we shade it. Now, we're talking of 3, 2, 1, 0, and counting. Now, 6, this is our what? Our fourth root. 6 negative 2 into bracket what? 3. This is negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 6 minus 6 is what? 0. 6 minus 6 is what? 0. So we can have a 0. Fourth root of 0 is 0. So we can have a 0. If you put a number less than this, 2, we're going to get what?
4.
We're going to get a 4. So 6 minus 4, we get a number that we're going to end up with a positive value no matter what happens. And if one wants to take x3 downwards, we're going to get a positive value, which helps us to understand that it is a function. But anything greater than 3, we are going to run into problems. You understand? And we are going to end up having an imaginary number, which is what we don't want. So for this case, let's use the interval notation. These are negative infinity. We don't have any business here. So we're going to start from negative infinity down towards 3. 3 is inclusive, so put it like this. So this is our domain. From negative infinity down to 3. This is our domain.